Hello, my name is Sia. I'm one of the employees here in Crocworld. I have here a Taiwanese red snake. His name is Goldie. If you want to see snakes, animals like this, you can come to Crocworld Conservation Centre. We open 24/7, Monday to Sunday.
Hi, my name is Harvey. I'm 12 years old and all of us attend Wild Ed, which is here in Crocworld. My favourite part of Crocworld is definitely the alligators because I love their round, stumpy noses.
Hello, my name is Kingsley. I'm 9 years old and I love Crocworld because it's got the most famous croc in South Africa, Henry.
Hi, my name's Caleb. My favourite part about Crocworld would definitely be all the croc feeds at 11 and 3.
Hello, my name is Zach. I'm 13 years old and I love the animal farm because it has this huge emu named Elliot and many cute little goats.
All you guys should come down to Crocworld to see all the different species of crocs and animals.
Also come to Jikaleza Outdoor Adventures. It is right next door to Crocworld.
We'll see you there!
My name is Wesley Westerdahl. I live down here in Scottburgh on the Sapphire Coast. Last year, after recognizing that there's not much activity on the South Coast for kids and outdoor adventure, I decided to build Jikaleza, 20 platforms. I separated them into two different categories. 10 are easy, 10 are hard. We've got zip lines, obstacles all in the trees. So if you've got nothing to do, please find your way down here to Crocworld and come and have fun.
Hi, I'm your Juelz Visuelz. I'm coming from Woodbank, visiting Crocworld today. Saw the croc feeding, it was awesome for the kids and that. So yeah, they're doing a good job looking after the crocs for the future.
Yeah, hi, I'm Eugene. I'm visiting South Africa after many years. I used to live in South Africa, but I moved to Canada and living there for the last 16 years now. It's summer break with my son back home in Canada. So yeah, we came to the park, the Crocworld, really enjoyed the facility. And yeah, seeing all the crocs behind us, the Nile crocs, the bird life, flamingos. And then introducing my son, who was born in Canada, to some of the wildlife that we have here.
My name's Peyton and we're at Crocworld. This is my, I think, second time in South Africa, but my first time in Crocworld, and I'm really looking forward to see more animals and also including the crocodile Henry, which is the oldest one at Crocworld.
Hi everyone. My name is Busani Mtiane and I'm the reptile curator here at Crocworld. So as we are Crocworld, we were established in 1985 and the intention was to farm these Nile crocodiles for their meat and skin trade. So Crocworld is dominated by these Nile crocodiles. We've got about 121 of Nile crocodiles. However, we've got other 4 crocodilian species in the park. If you ever come down to KZN or in Durban generally, make sure that you visit us at Crocworld on the R102 Old Main Road in Scottburgh, just to see these beautiful creatures.